In a world where home ownership has long been considered the ultimate goal, an unconventional idea has emerged, challenging our beliefs and shedding light on the hidden truth. Welcome to today's eye-opening video, where we delve into a topic that might just revolutionize the way you think about housing. Get ready to explore why renting a house is a smarter choice. For decades, the notion of owning a home has been deeply ingrained in our society. The dream of a white picket fence, a place to call our own, has been synonymous with success and stability. But what if we told you there's a compelling alternative, a path less traveled, that might just unlock a world of financial freedom and flexibility? From luxurious apartments in vibrant cities to charming cottages in idyllic locations, there are a diverse array of rental options available, debunking the myth that renting means compromising on quality or style. Prepare to have your preconceived notions shattered, and your understanding of housing forever transformed. Stay tuned for an enlightening exploration that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about the place you call home. Number 1. Flexibility and mobility. One of the key reasons why renting a house is a smart choice is the unparalleled flexibility and mobility it offers. Unlike owning a home, which ties you down to a specific location, renting allows you to adapt to the ever-changing circumstances of modern life. Whether you're a young professional exploring career opportunities, a student pursuing higher education, or simply someone who enjoys the freedom to explore different cities and neighborhoods, renting provides the flexibility to move with ease. Need to relocate for a new job? No problem. Want to experience a new city or neighborhood? Go ahead. Renting liberates you from the burdensome commitments and financial constraints of homeownership, empowering you to seize exciting opportunities, follow your dreams, and adapt to life's evolving priorities. With the ability to easily uproot and settle elsewhere, renting ensures that you remain agile, adaptable, and ready to embrace whatever life throws your way. It's a lifestyle choice that values exploration, growth, and the freedom to shape your own path without being tied down to a single property. So, if you value flexibility and mobility in your life, renting a house becomes a compelling and intelligent option that enables you to live life on your terms. Number 2. Financial considerations. Renting a house is often a wiser financial choice for several reasons. First and foremost, renting eliminates the significant upfront costs associated with purchasing a home. Instead of saving for a hefty down payment, covering closing costs, and securing a mortgage, renting allows you to allocate your funds in other ways. This financial flexibility can be particularly advantageous for young professionals, individuals with limited savings, or those who prefer to invest their money in different ventures. Moreover, renting spares you from the financial burdens of property taxes, homeowners insurance, and ongoing maintenance and repair costs. These expenses can quickly add up and place a strain on your budget. When you rent, the responsibility for property upkeep typically lies with the landlord, freeing you from the associated financial obligations. This means that unexpected repairs or maintenance issues won't catch you off guard, as they are the landlord's responsibility to address. Additionally, renting grants you the opportunity to invest your savings in alternative ventures that may offer better returns. By not tying up your money in a property, you can explore investment opportunities such as stocks, bonds, or starting your own business. These avenues have the potential to generate higher yields and contribute to your long-term financial growth. Renting also provides greater flexibility in terms of monthly expenses. Lease agreements generally include a fixed rental amount, allowing you to plan your budget with certainty. In contrast, homeownership comes with variable costs, including mortgage payments, property taxes, and fluctuating interest rates, which can make budgeting more challenging. Lastly, renting gives you the freedom to live within your means and adjust your living arrangements based on your financial situation. If you experience a change in income or unexpected expenses, you have the flexibility to downsize or find a more affordable rental without being burdened by the complexities of selling a property or dealing with a mortgage. Considering these financial considerations, renting a house emerges as a prudent choice that allows for better financial management, increased flexibility, and the ability to allocate resources strategically according to your unique circumstances and financial goals. Number 3. Access to amenities and services. Renting a house offers numerous benefits when it comes to access to amenities and services. Many rental properties, especially in urban areas, are strategically located in close proximity to a wide range of amenities and services, such as shopping centers, restaurants, entertainment venues, and recreational facilities. This means that as a renter, you can enjoy the convenience of having these amenities right at your doorstep, enhancing your quality of life and saving you valuable time and transportation costs. Furthermore, rental communities often come with their own set of amenities and services that can greatly enrich your living experience. These may include fitness centers, swimming pools, communal spaces, on-site maintenance staff, and even organized social activities. Such amenities provide a sense of community, opportunities for social interaction, and the convenience of having certain services readily available without the need for additional expenses or effort on your part. Renting also grants you the flexibility to choose a property that aligns with your lifestyle preferences. For instance, if you value proximity to green spaces, you can opt for a rental house in a neighborhood with parks or nature trails nearby. Similarly, if you enjoy the hustle and bustle of city life, you can select a rental in a vibrant urban area with a multitude of cultural attractions, shopping options, and dining establishments within walking distance. Moreover, renting allows you to access services that are often included as part of your rental agreement. These may range from utilities, such as water and electricity, to internet and cable TV subscriptions. Bundling these services into your monthly rent can simplify your financial management and eliminate the hassle of setting up and paying for each service individually. Additionally, renting provides you with the freedom to relocate easily and access different amenities and services based on your changing needs and preferences. If you desire a different neighborhood with a different set of amenities, you can explore different rental options without the long-term commitment or financial constraints associated with buying a new property. Number 4. Changing lifestyle and needs. Renting a house is an excellent choice for individuals and families whose lifestyles and needs are subject to change. Life is full of transitions. Whether it's starting a new job, expanding your family, pursuing higher education, or simply exploring new interests and hobbies, renting offers the flexibility to adapt your living situation to these evolving circumstances. One of the key advantages of renting is the ability to upsize or downsize your living space based on your current requirements. If your family is growing, renting allows you to find a larger home that accommodates your changing needs. On the other hand, if your children have moved out or you prefer a more minimalist lifestyle, renting gives you the freedom to downsize to a smaller, more manageable property. This flexibility saves you from the constraints of a fixed property size, allowing you to live comfortably and efficiently without the long-term commitment associated with homeownership. Furthermore, renting enables you to explore different neighborhoods and communities without being tied down to a specific location. As your lifestyle preferences change, you have the freedom to experience different environments. Whether it's a bustling city center, a quiet suburban area, or a peaceful rural retreat, renting allows you to sample different living arrangements, helping you find the ideal setting that suits your evolving lifestyle and preferences. Renting also provides relief from the responsibilities and time-consuming tasks associated with homeownership. Property maintenance, repairs, and upkeep are typically the landlord's responsibility, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your life. This is particularly beneficial for those with demanding careers, frequent travel obligations, or simply a desire to spend their time on personal pursuits rather than household chores. Moreover, renting eliminates the risks and uncertainties associated with the real estate market. Fluctuations in property values and the potential for financial loss due to market downturns are concerns that renters don't have to bear. Instead, they can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing their living arrangements are flexible and not tied to the unpredictable nature of the housing market. Number 5. Maintenance and repairs. One of the major advantages of renting a house is the relief from the burdensome responsibilities of maintenance and repairs. Unlike homeowners, renters are not financially responsible for the upkeep and repair costs of the property. When issues arise, such as a leaky roof, malfunctioning appliances, or plumbing problems, it is typically the landlord's responsibility to address and cover the expenses associated with these repairs. This not only saves renters from the financial burden of unexpected repair costs but also spares them the time and effort required to find reliable contractors and oversee the repair process. Renters can simply notify their landlord or property management, allowing them to focus on other aspects of their lives without the added stress and inconvenience that can come with maintaining and fixing a home. Whether it's a minor repair or a major issue, renters can enjoy the peace of mind knowing that these concerns are handled by the property owner, leaving them free to fully enjoy their living space without the added responsibilities of homeownership. Through exploring the benefits of flexibility and mobility, financial considerations, access to amenities and services, and the relief from maintenance and repair responsibilities, this video challenges conventional notions of homeownership and sheds light on the untapped potential of renting. By embracing the hidden truth behind renting, viewers are encouraged to question their preconceived notions and consider the advantages of a lifestyle that offers freedom, financial flexibility, and the ability to adapt to changing needs and circumstances. So, open your mind, explore the possibilities, and discover why renting a house may just be the smarter choice you never knew existed. Subscribe the channel for more such updates.